Sobhita, you're looking stunning. Tell us about your outfit and how you felt walking in it.
I felt like $1,000,000. I really enjoy wearing Indian silhouettes, and this lehenga is actually made of metallic tissue. Uh, Punit's collection is inspired by the Johri Bazaar of Jaipur, and he's used fabrics from Banaras, the textiles of Banaras. So I think it's a beautiful coming together, and the most interesting, relatable, exciting part I think is the fact that these are timeless, but also there's a daring modern twist to everything. It's not your hardcore conventional novelty kind of Indian looks. So it's a nice break. I enjoy that.
And Sobhita, tell me about your personal style statement. What are you most comfortable in when you're not shooting or on the ramp? What do you like to wear?
A lot of my stylist friends call me a clothes horse because they think I can. It's like a character, right? Like you have your own language and you want to dress as per that. But at the same time, to be able to treat clothing or whatever as a canvas and then you surrender to it and you own it and you speak that language, there's a joy there for me. Yeah.
And so, on a regular day, what do you like to wear? Indian, Western, what's your thing?
You know, I do think Indian, when we say Indian, we tend to think only of ethnic styles, but I think we have an incredible textile history and a design history. So there's so many brands who do beautiful pret. So there's a mixed bag. When you say Indian, I don't think only saris. I don't think only lehengas or salwar suits. I think many things. I think denim also. I think tailoring also. I think couture also. So to wear Indian is I think my high.
And so, whether you're extremely fit. Now, what is your one fitness tip to all your audiences?
I'm no one to preach on fitness, really. I'm one to enjoy my food and desserts, so I'm not the one to give advice on this.